This is where precision begins.
Every masterpiece begins beneath the earth, where raw iron waits to be transformed into power. Forged in fire, refined under extreme heat, steel becomes the backbone of precision engineering. Flattened with absolute accuracy, every millimeter engineered for strength and perfection. From mill to machine, the journey of transformation begins. Raw steel enters the system, ready to take its first form.
Massive coils of high-grade steel arrive, the foundation of a machine built to dominate every terrain.
Thousands of tons of pressure, shaping identity in a single strike. Each panel crafted with flawless geometry, built to fit like a puzzle. Robots move with surgical precision, welding strength into every joint. The body rises, a structure engineered for safety and performance. Purified and prepared, ready for its flawless finish. A hidden shield, protecting against time and corrosion. Solid front and rear axles, built for true off-road dominance. Each engine begins as precision-crafted components. Hand-assembled, one engineer, one engine, pure performance. Advanced transmission systems deliver seamless power. Powertrain meets chassis. Strength meets intelligence.
Steel transforms into the iconic G-Class silhouette.
Each door engineered for that unmistakable solid close. The body takes shape, bold, box, unmistakable.
Side panels, roof frames, and floor structures are stamped under immense pressure, forming the Everest's signature body. Automated robots weld each joint. Over thousands of precision weld points lock the structure together.
The chassis frame is reinforced, engineered for durability, off-road strength, and long-term resilience. Laser-guided systems scan every weld, ensuring zero structural compromise.
The bare metal body enters a chemical bath, to shy every impurity for perfect paint adhesion. Robotic sprayers glide in perfect harmony, applying primer with flawless consistency.
Lightweight strength, engineered to dominate. Every joint fused with surgical accuracy. Form takes shape. Power begins to breathe. A finish that mirrors perfection. The heart, brutal and precise.
Intelligence meets performance.
Inside the cabin, comfort and technology come to life.
See here on the schematic, this tolerance is critical. We can't afford any deviation on the linkage.
Understood. I'll use the laser alignment tool.
Power refined, translated into seamless motion. Sealed against the elements, built to endure. The first heartbeat
machine comes alive.
Protection begins beneath the surface, built to last decades.
Layers of perfection begin with precision coating.
The heart of the Everest takes shape. A powerful turbocharged engine built for performance. Fuel tanks and exhaust systems are mounted, completing the vehicle's core functionality. Doors, hood, and tailgate are attached, perfectly aligned with precision robotics.
Robots fuse every joint. Micron-perfect welds, ensuring unmatched rigidity.
High-performance electric motors delivering instant torque with zero delay.
Advanced liquid cooling, stabilizing performance under extreme demand.
Single-speed transmission, optimized for seamless acceleration. Power electronics convert energy, controlling every pulse of performance. Thousands of connections, forming the nervous system of the Electrica. A nervous system of intelligence runs through the vehicle.
Technology meets craftsmanship in every detail.
Wiring harnesses are connected, powering every intelligent feature.
Welding sparks ignite the darkness, each joint fused with absolute precision for maximum strength.
The naturally aspirated V10 engine begins assembly, each piston, each crankshaft balanced to perfection.
Every engine is tested under extreme conditions, pushed to its limits before it ever meets the road.
Crafted for those who demand more.
Tested beyond limits.
Unleashing controlled chaos.
From parts to perfection.
Arriving where power is desired.
Speed meets global demand.
Across continents.
The journey begins. Protected like a masterpiece. Ready to be claimed.
Not just a car, an experience.
Feel the beast awaken.
Porsche Panamera GTS 2027. Built to dominate.